Welcome to my field. Happy World Soil Day. My colleagues and I here at the University of Sydney thought it would be a good idea to put together a SOILinar to celebrate this auspicious day. World Soil Day is obviously important for the soil scientists of the world. Welcome my colleagues from the International Union of Soil Sciences, but it's important for everyone, from kids to farmers to those people who are interested in gardening, who are interested in urban agriculture, rural agriculture. I welcome you all, and I hope there's something in this SOILinar for you. I guess there's a growing interest in biodiversity, particularly microbial biodiversity. We hear a lot about the soil microbiome, so we're going to hear a little bit about some of the work we've been doing here on measuring soil microbial diversity, but looking at its spatial pattern and seeing how that might relate to pedodiversity. We're all interested in food security, and people even talk about water security. Well, we're going to talk about the concept of soil security, how we secure our soil for the future. So we're going to hear about that concept, and then we're going to show you an example of how you can assess the concept quantitatively and with high resolution spatially for the island of Tasmania. Today I believe the Global Soil Partnership of FAO is launching a global soil carbon map based on digital soil mapping principles. We will also show you some work that we've been doing on global soil carbon mapping at high resolution. The difference between our map product and the FAO global soil carbon map is that we are interested in soil carbon change over time. So we have, as part of our model, the idea of soil carbon change and what causes those changes. So we are developing a methodology for mapping that change over time, particularly over the last couple of decades. One of the most difficult issues if you're a soil scientist or if you're a lay person is that of soil classification. It's been an issue for a long time. The International Union of Soil Science has a working group on creating a universal soil classification, a new kind of classification. We're going to show you some of the work that we've been doing on that. The idea is not to create new classification systems, but to take the taxa of existing systems and sequentially add them to create an overall system, which might be a good candidate for a universal system. We've been thinking hard about how to get more of our science to users. So we've been working on a mobile phone app that measures soil structural stability. This is just one example of what we think of many apps that could be developed that can be used to take our basic soil science to users in many applications all over the world. Digital soil mapping has become a very important technology, as evidenced by the fact that today we're launching the Global Soil Carbon Map. We've been developing a lot of training material and books and so on, and we want to tell you something about the material that we've developed. That training material is just part of our educational approach, and we'll talk to you about our approach to soil education. So we've got quite a few different topics. I hope you enjoy them. See you at the end.